In this lecture, let's explain this this example right here. Solve the equation. Here we need to have some observations. We know that for a given number, for example, is 5, we actually have an absolute value of 5 equals negative 5 choose the absolute value. Okay, basically is that positive, negative 5, when you choose the absolute value, they're always positive, which is 5. This gives us what? This gives us that positive 5 absolute value, negative 5 absolute value, they are equal, which is 5. Then for variable, let's say x, so you have absolute value of x equals negative x. Okay, so that's basically for this case. You see, if x is 5 here, so then you have an absolute value of 5 equals absolute value of negative 5. Okay, all right. So down here we have this is true all the time. X choose absolute value is actually negative x choose absolute value. With this observation, you know, this x can be any quantity. For example, it can be the quantity like here, 3y minus 4. Okay, if here is 3y minus 4, then down here will be negative 3y minus 4. You can put right here. So that's what we got here. Okay, if x is 3y minus 4, then negative 3y minus 4, you see those two are the same. See that? Okay, so this 3y minus 4, 3y minus 4, x like a x. Okay, and then negative. Now, you can then do the distributive property to each thing inside this quantity. And then the left-hand side, you keep it, that's the same. Right-hand side is negative 3y, so negative 3y. And negative goes to the second one also. So negative is positive 4. And then you may write 4 first, negative 3y secondly. This basically tells us this one equals this one. Or 3y minus 4 equals 4 minus 3y. See that? Okay. You want to solve the equation, you found this is actually true. This is actually true for what? For all the real numbers. For all real numbers. You plug in any number right here is going to make these two absolute values are the same. Okay, so this given equation is actually an identity. This one is actually an identity. Yeah, the given equation is true for all y. So then the solution is all real numbers. Okay, so please review this lecture. I'll see you next time.